handling dropdowns and checkboxes. Hello again, welcome back to H2 Kinfoses. Today we're going to learn how to handle dropdowns and checkboxes using Selenium with Java. Let's get started. Handling dropdowns. Dropdowns can be handled using the select class in Selenium. Here's an example. Import org.opencode.selenium.by. Import org.opencode.selenium.webdriver. Import org.openkey.selenium.webelement. Import org.opencode.selenium.chrome.chromedriver. Import org.opencode.selenium.support.ui.select. Public class handle dropdowns. Public static void main string args. Set the path to the Chrome driver. System.setProperty WebDriver.chrome.driver path to Chrome driver. Initialize WebDriver. WebDriver driver new Chrome driver. Navigate to a sample form with dropdown. Driver.get http://example.com/dropdown. Locate the dropdown and select an option. Select dropdown new select driver.fiddlement by .id dropdown_id. Dropdown.select be visible text option 1. Close the browser. Driver.quit. This code demonstrates how to select an option from a dropdown. Now, let's handle checkboxes. Handling checkboxes. Here's how to handle checkboxes using Selenium. Import org.opencode.selenium.by. Import org.openkey.selenium.webdriver. Import org.opencode.selenium.webelement. Import org.opencode.selenium.chrome.chromedriver. Public class handle checkboxes. Public static void main string args. Set the path to the Chrome driver. System.setProperty WebDriver.chrome.driver path to Chrome driver. Initialize WebDriver. WebDriver driver new Chrome driver. Navigate to a sample form with checkboxes. Driver.get http://example.com/checkboxes. Locate and select the checkboxes. Webelement checkbox driver.fiddlement by .id checkbox_id. If checkbox.selected. Checkbox.click. Close the browser. Driver.quit. This script selects a checkbox if it's not already selected. In the next video, we'll explore how to handle alerts and pop-ups. Subscribe and stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more QA content. Leave your questions and comments below. Happy testing!